Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the "You need administrator permission to delete this file" error in Windows. First, locate the file or folder you want to delete. Right-click it and choose Properties. Open the Security tab, then click Advanced. At the top of the window, you'll see the current owner. Click Change next to the owner name. In the box, type Administrators or type your Windows username. Click Check Names to verify it. Then click OK. If you're working with a folder that contains other files and folders, check the option that says Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. This makes sure ownership is applied to everything inside the folder. Click Apply, then OK. Now go back to the Security tab and click Edit. Select your Windows account or the Administrators group from the list. Under the Allow column, check the box next to Full Control. Click Apply, then click OK to save the changes and close the windows. After taking ownership and giving yourself full control, try deleting the file or folder again. In most cases, Windows will now allow you to remove it without showing the administrator permission error. Thanks for watching.